Okay guys, you ready? We are gonna make paper airplanes and see whose will fly the fastest. Woo! All right guys, so I'm gonna show you how to make it first. So you can choose your paper, fold it in half, lengthwise, get a nice good fold down the middle. Then you're gonna make some points. So take the two corners and fold them down the center line. So it kind of looks like a house right now. And then you're going to do the same thing again. So do another triangle into the middle, keeping your point nice and tight. Keep those folds as crisp as you can to get a good fold going. And you'll have something that looks like this. And then once you've got that, you fold the whole thing in half. So it'll starting to take shape. Now you gotta make the wings. So you're gonna bend down the flaps. One side. And then you're gonna flip it over and fold down the other wing. Make sure it's all nice and folded crisply. Then when you lift it up, you can fold your wings in, and there's your basic airplane. Hey guys, in case you didn't catch that, I'm going to do it one more time nice and slow so you can follow along, okay? So you have your paper, you're going to fold it in half the long way. So you have a long rectangle. Then you're going to open it up and starting at the point, fold a triangle down on one side. So line it up along the center line and push the fold down. Then you're going to do the same on the other side. So you have your point there and they're lining them up, fold it all the way down. Then you're going to do the same thing again. So here's your point, fold it. This time you're going to fold it all the way to the middle, push it down, fold it and fold it all the way down. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So keeping your point here, fold it down to the middle, push it all the way down. Okay, so it should start looking like this. Then what you're going to do is you can fold it in half. And then just keeping your point here, or you can flip it upside down. You can keep your point here and we're going to make the wings. So bend it over. Here's one side and then you can do it to the same to the other side. Keeping your point nice and tight. Fold it to the middle. Push it and then you can fold it in half. And turn it over. There we go.